In an earlier slide, we described the use of component systems as opposed to analysis systems to build up a simulation. We could see in that particular example that connectors were used in order to indicate to the user how particular systems shared information. This can be shown here in this example where analysis systems are brought in and share information between them. On the left hand side we have a fluid flow analysis system, and on the right hand side we have a static structural analysis system. Between them we can see the linking connectors. We have a square connector linking geometry between the fluid and structural analysis, and we also have a round connector. This indicates that the results from the fluent analysis are transferred to the structural analysis as a one-way FSI simulation. So we can use the fluids simulation data output and use that as an input to the structural simulation. In this way, we can couple many different types of component systems and analysis systems within the Workbench project schematic environment. It allows the user to easily see how all of these components are linked together and which elements are sharing information with which other elements.